500,000, 600,000, 700,000 per Bitcoin?
Abu Dhabi's sovereign wealth fund bought over 437 million BlackRock spot Bitcoin ETF shares, and Larry Fink, CEO of BlackRock, believes that Bitcoin is going to reach $700,000. And with Trump saying this summer Bitcoin is going to become the superpower of the world,
the United States will be the crypto capital of the planet and the Bitcoin superpower of the world, and we'll get it done.
I believe that cryptocurrency is going to absolutely explode. And in today's video, if you stay with me all the way to the end, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 cryptocurrencies you must have on your radar, on your buy list, because now billionaires, trillionaires, and countries are buying Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Now's the time to be locked in. Welcome to the YouTube channel. My name is Joe. If you like money and if you like crypto, hit the subscribe button. Also, hit the notification bell to be notified when we publish new videos. They are very time sensitive and you're not going to want to miss out. Also, please understand that everything I say in this video is not financial advice. These videos are for educational and inspirational purposes only. And full disclosure, we do hold the cryptocurrencies that will be discussed in today's video. So on Valentine's Day, we received some crazy news here that Abu Dhabi Sovereign Wealth Fund bought hundreds of millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin. Now, the purchase follows BlackRock securing a commercial license to operate in Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi Sovereign Wealth Fund did purchase over 400 million of BlackRock's spot ETF, according to its filing from Friday. Here is what BlackRock's CEO had to say.
If you're frightened of your debasement of your currency, or you're frightened of your economic or political stability of your country, you could have an internationally based instrument called Bitcoin that will overcome those local fears. And so I'm a big believer in the utilization of that as an instrument. And so if that becomes true, and you see that it could be a proper hedge against maybe hope security or equities. Yeah. The question is, could you see a 2 or 5% allocation? I was with a sovereign wealth fund during this week, and that was the conversation. Should we have a 2% allocation? Should we have a 5% allocation? If everybody adopted that conversation, but it would be 500,000, 600,000, 700,000 per Bitcoin.
And if more countries start adopting Bitcoin as a small allocation, can you imagine where prices are going to go? Now, nobody knows what is going to happen next with Bitcoin, but President Trump said literally just a few months ago that Bitcoin is going to become the superpower of the world.
Bitcoin and other crypto is digital currency that can be bought and sold directly without a middleman like a bank. President-elect Trump has vowed to build a national strategic reserve of Bitcoin.
I'm laying out my plan to ensure that the United States will be the crypto capital of the planet and the Bitcoin superpower of the world, and we'll get it done.
So seeing countries like Abu Dhabi and President Trump saying that they're going to get it done to make a Bitcoin strategic reserve, this is extraordinarily bullish in the long term. Now, in the short term, anything can happen in crypto, and that's why you keep coming back to this channel, because we make videos every single day updating you on massive big news, as well as what other cryptocurrencies that are trending and are hot in the current moment. But you can see this is a major milestone, and Bitcoin is the hardest asset in the world. Now, I also wanted to share with you, because you've stayed all the way to the end of this video, what are some of the other altcoins and other cryptocurrencies to keep on your radar? Well, World Liberty Fi just bought another $4.7 million worth of Ethereum. So Bitcoin's got to be your first coin. Ethereum has got to be your second coin. And after that, start looking at what are some of the top richest people in the world actually buying and holding. Other coins on World Liberty Fi's list are Tron, Link, Aave, and ENA. It's only about 6 cryptocurrency coins right now. Other coins that I'm extraordinarily bullish on have to be Solana. If you take a look at the market cap, here is the chart of Ethereum versus Solana. And you can see here that ETH broke out in this last cycle, 2021, and it looks like Solana is about to break out and go to even higher marks here in the very near future. Looking at the market cap is the best way to chart Solana. Solana is consolidating above prior all-time high, similarly to ETH in 2021. 3 to 4x minimum from here is the worst case scenario according to previous data. That's not all. Solana continues to dominate Ethereum despite ETH maxi FUD. In the last 24 hours, ETH only did 900,000 in app revenue. Solana did over 10 million. 24-hour fees, ETH had 586,000. Solana had over 3 million. And 24-hour DEX volume, Ethereum only 1.1 billion, and Solana had $2.6 billion, more than double Ethereum. I believe Solana certainly has to be on your radar, as well as one of those cryptocurrencies to keep stacking here in the bull market. That's what I personally am doing. The other thing that I love about Solana personally is you can stake and earn up to 7 to 10% just by holding Solana today. Now, this will fluctuate depending upon where the prices are and how many people actually stake, but if you wanted to unstake, it only takes like 4 or 5 days for you to get your Solana liquid again, for you to sell or do whatever you want to do with. This is a huge game changer compared to Ethereum and compared to other cryptocurrencies mentioned in today's video, because you want to be liquid in this market and want to be able to get in and out of these coins as fast as possible. But if you can earn some sweet yield on top of cryptos that continue to appreciate, this is where I believe most people are not thinking, except for those who are massive, massive whales like we're seeing. They are starting to think this, and that's why Solana has to be on your radar. And speaking of other altcoins here that have to be on your radar, XRP, Solana, Litecoin, and Dogecoin ETFs are highly likely to receive SEC nod here in 2025. And I believe this is what is going to trigger a massive altcoin season. Now, the odds of approval for a Litecoin ETF have surged 90%, while Dogecoin 75%, and XRP and Solana ETF approval chances remain below 75%, pending regulatory clarity. The likelihood, though, of an altcoin exchange ETF gaining approval in the US is increasing, though, fueled by more crypto-friendly stance from the Securities and Exchange Commission, also known as the SEC, under new leadership. And analysts are now saying that there's going to be a high probability of approval for Litecoin, Dogecoin, Solana, XRP, with Litecoin leading the pack at over 90%. And we're also seeing this with the technicals of some of these coins. Here you can see XRP broke out of a massive W pattern on the monthly chart. The technical target is over $30, which would be absolutely wild. Here's another XRP update. Bullish divergence forming on the 15-minute chart, forming on support. Spot buying also supporting another bullish signal. And you're seeing a small correction here in XRP, but higher targets could be in the future. Now, some other coins to keep an eye on have to be Cardano. I would definitely keep an eye on this one, because this one, to me, sitting at 77 cents under $1, could be very undervalued. They have a lot of new things coming here in February, so make sure to tune into Cardano, and we will be having even more updates here. And also look at Avalanche, Sui, as well as Shiba Inu for the meme coins, as well as HBAR Hedera. Also, other new cryptocurrency L1s like Hyperliquid, as well as Polkadot with Polkadot 2.0 in coins with more utility in the top crypto coins here. I definitely keep an eye on these. Near Protocol and Pepe also need to be on your radar, as well as Crypto.com and the Chronos token. Now, we're also ambassadors with Crypto.com, but for good reason. You can see the CEO of Crypto.com actually met with President Trump to discuss a Bitcoin reserve and crypto appointments. Crypto.com is now America's premier crypto trading platform, and if you click the link down below in the description, you can get yourself some free CRO tokens. It is a referral link. Thanks again for all of your support. But if you're going to buy, sell, and trade any of the cryptocurrencies discussed in today's video, I believe Crypto.com could be a great spot for you to learn and also get some free coins. Now, if you want to know what other cryptocurrency coins I'm buying and when, click the link down below, and I teach you exactly how I was on the right side of altcoin season 4 years ago and how I made $200,000 in 1 week trading crypto. So if you're ready to learn with me, click the links down below, join us in VIP, because I was able to do this firsthand. I know exactly what is going to happen next, I believe, and nobody knows with certainty, but I'm pretty confident that an altcoin season is coming. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next videos.